I have the freaking hiccups. And if they don't go away, then I'm gonna punch some hiccups out my throat. Or wherever they are. Because they annoying, girl. If you know what I mean. Well, you want to know what I am? I will pull down my everything and show you what I am. I am an external imagery alien. And I'm a male alien. I'm really a male. And I like eating brains. Well, anyways. What was I saying? You gotta tell me. How you supposed to think I'm supposed to remember everything? No. Oh yeah, I said hiccups. Oh, they're gone now, but I'll show you the video of me having hiccups. I recorded it when they had some. I was like, I was talking and I was like, oh, my throat hurts because I have the hiccups. And I said, it sounds like this. And then I was like, okay, but it keeps hurting. And then I was like, okay, so it sounds like this. And then I was like, I actually did the hiccup that I was talking about. So I have it on video. And I'll show it to you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.